Hey there viewers, Pimple Talk. We've all been there. You're enjoying your day, you're feeling good, and then all of a sudden, the zit shows up. Before you know it, this white bump turns into an ugly blackhead. Sometimes it feels like your every effort to get rid of that pimple is lost. While your pimple may just be really stubborn, it's highly possible you're not getting the proper skincare tips. In today's video, we're discussing what treatment is best suited for blackheads and whiteheads. Does toothpaste make it go away? What about baking soda? We're discussing all of that and more. You're not the only one with acne, trust me. While it is most common among youngsters, you can get pimples at any age. This includes both blackheads and whiteheads. People get acne due to blocked pores, but the treatment differs depending on who you are. More on this in a second. Did you get acne a lot as a kid? How old were you when it started to go away? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. So, how does acne turn into blackheads? You know those tiny little black spots on your nose, face, back, and shoulders? They look smaller than freckles. Your skin doctor calls them open comedones. We know them as blackheads. While acne is usually red, this form turns black and is rough to the touch. Your skin has pores. These pores serve as an escape for sweat, as well as an oily substance called sebum. Sebum keeps your skin soft and moisturized. Large pores, which clog due to sebum, cause acne. The pigment that gives the color to your skin is called melanin. If melanin gets oxidized, the clogged pores turn black. This is how blackheads are formed. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all of our great Bestie content. So, how about whiteheads? How do they develop? Whiteheads are called closed comedones. Unlike blackheads, these are formed when the pore size of your skin is smaller. This leaves very little space for your skin to breathe. It can't throw out all the waste and sebum from your skin. Sometimes bacteria gets trapped inside the hair follicle. Too much of the substances collect under your skin, leading to small bumps. Since the bacteria isn't coming in contact with any air, oxidization can't happen the way it does with blackheads. The zit stays white. Much like blackheads, you can find whiteheads all over, from your face to your back to your shoulders. So, what are good ways to treat both whiteheads and blackheads? Number 1. Changing your skincare products. A few face washes, creams, and astringents you see at the local drugstore can serve as a saving grace. You need to read the back of any product you buy. Look out for ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. A good over-the-counter product will help dry out acne in no time. They can also open up clogged pores, removing oil, dead cells, and bacteria. If you use these products regularly, you'll find that acne won't be a problem. Before we move ahead, there's more to skincare than just pimples. Here are 16 secret tips for flawless skin they never tell you about. Now back to tips on getting rid of your whiteheads and blackheads. Number 2. Keep your hands off your face. This is a big one. It might be tempting to squeeze a pimple, but you need to avoid this at all costs. Popping a fresh zit only worsens the situation. Stop touching your face. When you scratch an itchy pimple, a lot of visible dirt particles and bacteria settle into your skin. They travel into your pores and clog them, causing small infections, acne, and even black and whiteheads. Plus, it can leave your skin red, irritated, and painful. Skin doctors strictly advise you to follow this rule, as scarring and discoloration are serious side effects. Picking out blackheads or popping whiteheads only gives you more acne. After the whitehead bursts, the bacteria and gunk will spread, causing more outbreaks in healthier areas of your skin. Just keep your hands off your face. Number 3. Medications. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to skin treatment. Every skin type is unique. A few products are considered to be more effective and safe for treating acne. These may come in the form of supplements or topical applications. Some of these brilliant products include tea tree oil, green tea extract, aloe vera, and brewer's yeast. Chemicals like alpha-hydroxy, azelaic acid, bovine cartilage, and zinc should only be used after talking to your doctor. Toothpaste and baking soda are not the ultimate solutions for getting rid of blackheads and pimples. They may be the best temporary cover-ups, but in the long run, they'll irritate your skin. Everybody loves giving their 2 cents when it comes to treating acne. Some myths might be true, while others are totally baseless. Let's go through a couple of them and see if they're actually valid. Myth number 1. Too much chocolate causes acne. If you want beautiful skin, what you eat really matters. But this is just part of the big picture. Most research has suggested that avoiding certain foods can reduce the frequency of acne. Carbohydrates and dairy products have been shown to directly have an impact on your skin quality. However, we need more research to confirm this. Try keeping a small food diary and make notes of foods that give you bad outbreaks. Make sure you avoid them the next time you're tempted. If you can't resist a good bar of chocolate, maybe reduce your portion size instead. Myth number 2, washing your face gives you clear skin. Too much soap can badly irritate your skin. It'll only lead to more pimples. Dry skin with pimples is one of the worst combos you could ask for. You should only wash your face 2 times a day with a mild cleanser. After you're done, don't rub your face dry. Just patting it with a clean towel should be enough. Myth number 3, putting makeup worsens the breakouts. This may sound correct, but it's not necessarily true. You have to be extra careful about what goes on your skin. You need to choose non-acegenic products that are gentle on sensitive skin. This is how you can wear makeup safely without worrying about acne. Remember not to share makeup and regularly replace your sponges and brushes. A bonus would be adding benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid to your makeup. Specific brands make a point to include these substances in their products. Believe it or not, makeup might actually be beneficial for those who constantly suffer from breakouts. Myth number 4, tanning can give you acne-free skin. People will take a beach vacation to improve their complexion. But if you plan to sit in the sun just to get rid of pimples, you're doing major harm to your skin. Long periods of sun exposure will cause premature aging. A few skin cancers are also related to sunlight. So it's a must that you apply sunscreen with an SPF of at least 15 before stepping out. If you're still confused about how to take care of your skin, let's go over some quick tips that can keep you looking radiant and beautiful. Number 1, choose oil-free or water-based makeup products to keep your pores breathing. Number 2, never go to bed with makeup on. However tired you might be, just take a minute to wipe it off your face and then hit the bed. Number 3, keep your hair off your face. Use clips, rubber bands, tie-ups, hair bands. This will keep the oil from your hair off your face. Number 4, use water-based gels and sprays on your hair. Number 5, remember to see a dermatologist if your symptoms don't go away. Acne is so annoying. Whether it's a whitehead or a blackhead, they always cause trouble. But it's not just your skin you need to watch out for, it's also your hair. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Check out 10 tips to naturally regrow your hair. You can also try 13 proven ways to get thicker hair in 30 days. Go ahead and click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to take care of yourself. What do you do to get rid of pimples? Let us know in the comments below.